All right, Kevin's going to test ride this 75 black Norton. The only thing outstanding at this point in time is the front fender, and other than that, it's complete. Theoretically, so we're going to find out right now. Let me check that, let me take a look at that carb, see if it's, okay, because it ran away yesterday once. Okay.
Okay, and
Good. It's electric start, so
right, and this is the kill switch right here.
Kill in the
So
center.
if it runs away, I just hit that.
Clutch in. Good, all right.
Left side shift, so
Up for first.
up for first. Yeah.
I think.
No.
It's a Norton. Yeah, it's down for first.
Down for first it is, yeah. It everything.
I still get confused. Keep your arms up.
Keep dropping so low. I'm going to run it down to the stop sign, run it back.
No, just do the test ride. It'll warm up. Yeah, I might drain out that primary and put some ATF in it. It was a little grabby there, but then this bike hasn't been ridden in a long time. So let's see how it is when he comes back. What's all the roof?
That idle's got to come way up.
Okay, idle's got to come up.
Oh, way up. It would have died every time. I couldn't even use the front brake.
Okay.
Because I had to keep revving it. It almost died every time I'd slow down.
Oh, you poor...
And pulling in here, it was under 500 RPM.
Okay. All right, good. We can fix that. Now the clutch is obviously still dragging because you couldn't get it in neutral. Okay, so...
And I don't think either one of those brakes are worth a damn. Other than that, the ride was fine.
You are just a bundle of joy. Can you get that kickstand there, big guy?
One of these days, I'll figure it out.
All right, so you're saying the idle's way down,
Yep.
which is interesting. And the clutch is still dragging, which means we can take it apart, or we can empty it out and flush it with some ATF and try it again. And let's fire it up and see what I can do about the idles while we're sitting here. The choke's not on, is it? No?
No, shouldn't be.
Because this is the choke. Well, you always got to check it. It was slightly on, but not bad. All right, so let me set this camera up and we'll start it again, and I'll check the idle.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's see. Now your gas is off on this side.
Yeah, I just turned it back on.
Okay.
Screwdriver. And the ignition light stayed on the whole time.
Really?
Yeah, the light stayed on.
Oh, that's interesting. That should go off.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
But there's no selector at all. Okay, so it's up here. Oh, like that.
You ready?
Yeah.
But let's make sure. Yeah, okay. One second. And by now it should drop into idle. It's warm. It's warm.
Let's go half a turn in.
Did you ever figure out the clunk on this?
No. Haven't started yet.
Ah.
Oh, God. I love working on the floor. Half a turn in.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Okay. Are we still running? Let's see.
Don't know.
Yeah, we are. Good. It wouldn't idle. I turned the idle screw in 1/2 turn.
Oh!
On both sides.
Yeah.
And then went whee!
Right.
Okay, so then I went on both sides and turned it back out 1/2 turn.
Yeah.
And it idled. And then I adjusted it down a little bit more even, and it idles.
Yeah.
Something's sticking.
Yeah.
It's either up in here, or the cable, or the splitter, or the slides.
Yep.
So bottom line is this bike has to go back up on the lift as
Yep.
soon as I can get that beezer down.
Yep.
And this time I'll take the carburetors completely off the bike
Yeah.
and go through them and lubricate the whole linkage. So it's hanging up, and that's why
If I were a betting man, I'd say it's a splitter.
splitters.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen that happen a lot.
Mm-hmm. All right, so the test ride was not great. Oh, this is a terrible front.
Yeah.
Why would that be? All right, let's yeah. Now let me get a cover for the tank, and we'll check that.
Yeah, looks like somebody's already spilled some on the front fender.
Hmm?
Somebody's already spilled some on the front fender. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, that would be.
that's the brake
That would
fluid.
be draining down.
Yep.
Okay, drape that thing all
Yep.
the way in. Drape this over it.
Yep.
Drapity, drapity, drape, drape, drape.
Yep.
And let's see if we have any fluid in here. Camera. Hello, camera. Check over here.
Oh,
that'll
do it.
That'll do her.
That'll do it.
Okay, so it's empty as can be. Now,
It's just sliding that way.
so it obviously sat this way for a long time and dripped out of here and hit the fender down at the bottom. Okay? Which probably prompted the purchase of the new front fender. You know?
I bet you're right.
Don't know for sure, but it's damaged down there and it's right below
Yep.
the master cylinder. So what we need to do is put fluid in here and find out if it's leaking. So there's more to be done. This bike is not near complete. We have to figure out why the front brake was leaking. How about the rear brake? Did you?
It wasn't great. But it's all I had, because this, yeah, obviously this was worthless. So I was trying to drag it a lot. So,
All right.
yeah.
We'll check
And
that
again,
out.
with the idle, I had to keep, I was trying to pull the brake in and keep the idle up and RPMs up. So.
So you're a new rider, huh?
Shit.
Yeah.
What have I ridden? 150 of these lousy things?
Us veterans can
Yeah.
do this.
Yeah.
You know, when you get
Yeah.
to be
Oh, I did it. I just didn't like it.
When you
And, and now I know why I kept pulling and it wasn't any good.
uh-huh.
Which is why I just about stomped on that rear brake.
Yeah, we veterans could have handled that.
Yeah. Veterans.
Old foot. Okay, we're going to push that one back in here, and
Yep.
I'm going to keep working on the front end of this beezer and see if I can find out if there's anything wrong inside that front end, other than the fact that the had ATF inside the forks. Which is,
Oh, this one?
Yep.
ATF?
yep. So basically, that's water. So we'll put some 30 weight in it,
Yeah.
and unless I find something wrong in there.
That could be it because there's nothing damping it.
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to stop this video now and go back to the PSA.